To build our command line version of the high-low guessing game, we're going to use Eclipse IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, the toolkit that lets us program apps for the command line or for the desktop environment. Eclipse is going to be an easy way for us to build this app and learn how to extend it and turn it into a desktop application. So let's take a look at how this is going to look on Windows, and I'll show it to you on a Mac here in just a second. We ask the user to guess a number between 1 and 100. They type in a number. We tell them if that number is too high or too low, and then we try again until they get the correct number. Then we ask them if they'd like to play again. So let's get started in Eclipse. Open up Eclipse from your PC, your Mac, or Linux. It'll take just a few seconds to get started the first time you run it. And it'll ask you where you'd like to create a workspace. This is really important because this is where it's going to store all of the files and all the applications that we create for the command line terminal or for the desktop. So we need to pick a place that we'll be able to find easily. We can browse and save this to a place like our desktop, for example. We can create a new folder, and we could call this our Java apps. And now we've created a folder on our desktop for Java apps. And we will just click Open. Now you can see my workspace is set for that Java apps location. And we can check the checkbox down here to use this as the default and not ask again. And it will always go back to this. You can change this from preferences inside Eclipse as well. But I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll always use our desktop Java apps to get started programming. Eclipse will take just a few more seconds to get set up and running. And the first time you run Eclipse, you'll probably see this welcome screen. All you need to do is close that window and we'll be set up and ready to begin our app.